today is going to be a jewelry review I received from Bliss Jewelry. If you've been watching me for a while, you generally see me wearing necklace, fuzzy earrings, or any kind of jewelry. I just love wearing them and it brings out the best in me. I already unbagged this and took a little sneak peek, and the first thing I see is a nice box. This is awesome because once you order from them, they already comes with a gift box, so you don't have to worry about buying a box when gifting this to somebody. Then here's the actual necklace that I got. It's this beautiful silver plated rose with drop shaped pink crystal. I believe this represents unconditional love. It washes the negativity, all the angers, and it attracts compassion, comfort, love, and develop a closer bond to our loved ones. The chain itself is twisted. It looks elegant and expensive when you wear it on. I'm sorry, I don't know if my camera doing it justice, but I swear this is prettier than I expected. It looks so much better in person and the size is perfect. It's not too big or small and it's pretty lightweight too. It feels really comfortable on my neck, and yeah, that's the end of this review. You can find them on Amazon. Make sure to check them out. They have anything for anyone. You will never regret, and all of their pieces are absolutely stunning. I'll put their website down below. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you on my next one. Ciao!
#cookie jar.